Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'll be doing a hard factory reset on the LG V20. Let's get it started. Okay, so this is a requested video on how to hard reset the LG V20. Now this is a very simple process to do on this device. First thing you want to do is make sure the phone is powered off, and it is. Pressing the back power button, and yeah, the phone is off. Now next you're going to want to locate the volume down rocker and the back power button. Now before I get started with this, I'm going to explain a couple things. Now, whenever you do this hard reset and press the volume down and the back power button at the exact same time, you're going to feel a vibration in the phone. The LG logo will pop up, and when the LG logo pops up, you're going to let off of the back power button for like a half a second. It's going to get your finger on the power button. When the LG logo pops up, let off, back on, and keep it held in until you see the reset screen. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, locating the back power button and the bottom volume rocker here. Press them at the exact same time in 3, 2, 1 now. Vibration, LG, let off, back on. And there you go. Factory data reset deletes all your user data, including LG and carrier apps, and resets all settings. So if you do this, it will erase everything off of your phone. And you may be required to re-enter the Gmail account that was previously on the phone. You may not. I'm not sure exactly, but some phones you do, some phones you don't. Just giving you a heads up there that if you don't know your password, you don't know your Gmail, then yeah, it may require you to re-enter that whenever you do a hard reset. So what you're going to do now is scroll down to yes and press the back power button. Well, try that one more time. Volume down to yes and press the back volume button. And the phone will power off, and you're seeing there it says erasing. And that's pretty much it. Very simple process to do. May take a few more minutes here to actually, reset and power on. So we're gonna wait a few seconds here. Let the phone go to the startup screen to show you that it is factory reset. Like I said, it can take a couple of minutes sometimes, but yeah, very simple process. Sometimes these older flagship phones, if you've had them for a long time and you've never done a hard reset, sometimes it's good to do this on these phones, especially since this phone got Oreo. Sometimes it might help it to give it a hard reset. But yeah, right now since Android is starting and it's going pretty quick here, so we'll give it just another minute or two to go to the actual home screen here. It's at 90% now, so it should be done here in just a moment. And you will see right here is the welcome screen for your LG V20, back to factory mode, ready to set up all over again. So yeah, that's how you hard reset the LG V20. If this was helpful and informative any at all, hit that like button. Any questions you may have, leave it down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so for more videos like this, as well as unboxings, reviews, and other things to come. Hit that bell for notification. I'd really appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.